busy day and Roly's talking to Ratchet. And then things that went crazy during it. But I realized things were fine. But later those guys noticed I went crazy after they noticed I'm a crazy bozo. But later I showed them who's awesome. And later, well, after Smudger defeated Stanley, I was on my own. And I'm glad I don't need Stanley anymore because the way he talked to me was crazy, like bang! Ratchet, I think you're... Sir, gonna hit the... Silver Steam! What the coffee was that? Just the sound of crazy shenanigans, Spencer. You wouldn't understand. Ratchet! What the heck was that? Well... You just... blasted those trucks like crazy, Ratchet! Oops. Sorry about that. Well, what a crazy day for Ratchet. Well, at least Percy and Roly are okay, and the explosion didn't got too big. And at least it's an awesome day for Roly and Percy.